Hello everyone, it's Effie here, and today I just want to share with you some thoughts that came into my mind. And first of all, I just want to give the story of the lame man at the beautiful gate in the Bible. He was lame on his feet and he was begging for alms, and one of these days Peter and John came to the temple and they met him at the gate, and they told him, well, silver and gold we don't have, but what we have we give unto you. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, rise up and walk. And I believe that was what the guy needed at that point in time. The alms he was begging for, yes, he needed that, but I believe more than ever before he wanted to walk. And that's what Peter and John gave to him. And today I have learned about giving and giving intentionally. Giving intentionally gives you a sense of fulfillment. And I want to provide a solution for you. Are you stressed out? Are you just working and not making any form of progress? Are you tired of, doing the same thing over and over again? They say if you keep doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result, that's insanity. So why don't you try something else? If you're doing something over and over again and you don't get a better result, why don't you try something else? Why don't you try the online space if you are into a job that is not taking you where you want to go to? Why don't you just get out of the employee box like I did? I for the longest of times worked for somebody, and I was satisfied doing that because I was assured of a salary at the end of the month. But gradually I came to find out that there is a better way to live life and earn a living, and that's through the online business, because things are changing and we definitely have to adjust to the changing world, to the changing economy, to the changing environment. And so I went into the online space and I have not regretted it at all. And that's why I want to give, I want to share. My mission is to encourage you, to inspire you, to enlarge your coast, to broaden your horizon, to expand your vision. Get out of the employee box. Get out of your comfort zone. Do something new. Do something better and live the life that you love. The man was lame at his feet. A lot of us may be lame financially. Lame financially, yes, you're working, but it's not taking you anywhere. Yes, you're working, but you're not living the life that you love and you deserve. Yes, you're working, but you're not doing the things that you want to do, you love to do. Yes, you're working, but you don't have the time to enjoy yourself with your family. There are better ways to do it without any form of stress. And that's why I'm coming to share with you what I have gained, what I have learned, and how I gained and how I learned those things. I usually give out a set of free videos for you to watch if you want to go into the online space. And then today I'm giving out another one. It's called the free account. It's free, you don't have to pay for it, but it has so much valuable information. And I believe this information will help you to make a decision in the right direction. Just watch the videos or create the free account and, go ahead and see whether the online space is for you. I'll put the links below and you can click on any one of them, or you can even click on both of them if you want. But that's my gift to you today. And I hope it will inspire you, it will encourage you, and it will help you. When you want to go from A to B, you need to evaluate yourself and find out where you are, where you want to go, and how you want to get there. So where are you now? You may, like I said before, you may be financially lame, like the lame man, and you want to get up and walk, you want to live a better life. And then you know where you are going, but how do you get there? So these videos and the free account are the tools, are the solutions that I'm bringing to you to be able to get to where you want to get to. I hope you have received some value from this very short video. And if you are interested, just click the link below and I will see you on the other side. Take care and God bless you.